temperate rainforests. They're found in 7 different areas of the world, and the UK West Coast being one. You get a unique range of species. They're incredibly at risk. About 1% left in the UK now. And we need to hold on to these precious little pockets. This is what we're trying to create at the school. The same skeleton, exactly the same trees, and bring in all the ecosystem of the temperate rainforest. To restore ecosystems, we must really understand them. The temperate rainforest ecosystem is created by a Gulf Stream that brings damp, warmer weather and carries algae and lichen spores. Our forests will act as a scaffolding on which vital algae and moss take hold and flourish. That concept of bringing biodiversity back, it brings a little bit of magic back into the kids' lives. We use the Miyawaki method. You just need to go in there and be random with it, like nature is. Nature's certainly not perfect. We used indigenous, native, relatively small saplings. In 10 years' time, the trees will be about 8 meters tall and semi-impenetrable. And then from there, it can take anything from 60 to 100 years for it to officially be a rainforest. You need to create forests for our legacy, but we also need our children to be our legacy as well. So if they understand the concept, you can create an actual forest ecosystem. They can take that forward, and I think it's really important. That's why it's so incredible.